In this first week of our course, we will set the stage for exploring artificial intelligence (AI) and its impact on the media industry. We will begin by looking at how media consumption habits have constantly evolved throughout history. From the days of black and white televisions and record players to the era of streaming services and smartphones, new technologies have always reshaped the way we experience media. We will then transition to explore what AI is and delve into some of the concerns and applications surrounding it. This week will provide a foundation for understanding how AI is transforming the media landscape. News articles or social media posts. AI can also be used to create music or to edit videos. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see it used in even more creative ways in the media industry. Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit some of the major milestones in media evolution over the past century. The invention of the phonograph in the 1880s allowed people to listen to recorded music for the first time. The rise of radio in the 1920s brought news and entertainment directly into people's homes. The introduction of television in the 1950s revolutionized entertainment, offering a visual dimension to media consumption. Personal computers in the 1980s ushered in the digital age, allowing for the storage and manipulation of information in entirely new ways. Finally, the internet and smartphones of the 2020s have fundamentally changed the way we access and consume media. Today, we have information and entertainment at our fingertips, available on demand and personalized to our preferences. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis. Think about self-driving cars that can navigate traffic without human intervention, facial recognition software that can identify individuals in a crowd, or chatbots that can answer your questions and provide customer service. These are all examples of AI in action. The rise of AI has also led to some valid concerns. One major concern is job displacement. As AI technology continues to develop, machines may become capable of performing many of the tasks that are currently done by humans. This could lead to job losses in a variety of industries, including the media industry. Another concern is the spread of misinformation. AI could be used to create fake news articles or social media posts that are designed to deceive people. This could have a negative impact on democracy and society as a whole. Finally, there are also ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI. For example, how do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? We will explore these concerns and potential solutions throughout this course. Creation. AI can be used to generate news articles based on data and algorithms. For example, AI can be used to write short articles about sporting events or financial news. AI can also be used to identify trends in social media data and use that information to generate news stories. Additionally, AI can be used to personalize news feeds for individual users. This means that users are more likely to see news stories that are relevant to their interests. Let's peer into the future and explore some of the potential ways AI will continue to transform the media landscape. AI-powered content creation is already a reality, with AI being used to generate scripts, create music, and edit videos. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI tools that can create entire media experiences, from movies and TV shows to video games and music albums. Personalized news feeds and social media experiences are another area where AI will play a major role. AI can be used to curate content that is specific to each user's interests, ensuring that they see the information that is most relevant to them. Targeted advertising and marketing will also be revolutionized by AI. AI can be used to identify potential customers and deliver targeted advertising messages that are more likely to resonate with them. Automated tasks and workflows are another area where AI will have a significant impact on the media industry. AI can be used to automate many of the tasks that are currently done by humans, such as transcribing interviews, editing audio and video, and scheduling social media posts. This will free up media professionals to focus on more creative and strategic work. Finally, AI will also lead to the development of new forms of interactive entertainment. Imagine video games that can adapt to your playing style, or movies that can change the plot based on your choices. The possibilities are endless. Technologies have always reshaped the way we experience media. We've also introduced the concept of artificial intelligence (AI) and discussed some of the concerns and applications surrounding it. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the media industry in a number of ways. In the coming weeks, we will delve deeper into how AI is being used in media creation, content distribution, and more. We will also explore the challenges and ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in media. By the end of this course, you will have a strong understanding of the impact of AI on the media industry and be prepared to navigate the exciting and ever-changing media landscape of the future.